Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to summarize articles quickly and for free using AI in 2025. This is perfect if you're a student, a content creator, or just someone who wants to save time when reading long pieces of text. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Gemini AI. It's free to use and great for breaking down long articles into clear summaries. Now, copy the article you want to summarize and paste it into Gemini. In the prompt box, type something like, summarize this article into 5 bullet points. Gemini will instantly generate a clean summary highlighting the key points. If you want it in a different format, you can adjust your prompt. For example, you could ask, give me a one-paragraph summary in simple language. Or summarize this article for a 10-year-old. And if you're working on research, you can even request, provide the key arguments, supporting evidence, and conclusion. Once you have your summary, you can copy it into your notes, a presentation, or even turn it into social media posts. And that's it. You've just learned how to summarize articles using free AI in 2025. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more free AI guides.